What if I told you your audience can forget your facts in minutes, but remember your story for years? That's why some presentations get ignored, while others make people stop, listen, and remember. The difference isn't always better information. It's how you package that information. So, storytelling simply means taking information and giving it a journey that people can follow. First, start with the problem your audience actually cares about. This is how you hook them from the very beginning. Because the moment someone sees their own problem in your content, they have a reason to keep watching. Second, create tension. Don't give people the answer immediately. Give them just enough information. Make them ask, okay, but what happens next? Third, show the struggle. A perfect journey isn't interesting. People connect with mistakes, setbacks, uncertainty, and moments they recognize from their own lives. Then comes the turning point, the moment something changes. That turning point is where you introduce the insight, strategy, or solution. And here's where presentation becomes powerful. Don't just tell people the solution, show them. Your visuals should make the idea easier to understand, not compete with your voice. A good presentation usually has one main idea, not 10 different ideas fighting for attention. Before you create your presentation, ask one question. Who am I talking to? What do they want? What are they struggling with? And what result are they hoping to get? Because great content doesn't only make people understand something, it makes them feel something. Use contrast. Show where someone started, what went wrong, and where they ended up. For example, instead of saying, "You need better thumbnails," tell the story of a video stuck at 50 views.
Then show the creator changing the thumbnail, improving the title, and finally watching the views climb.
Now you're not just teaching thumbnails. You're taking the viewer on a journey. Now you're not just teaching that journey, gives people a reason to stay until they discover what happens at the end. So remember this simple formula: problem, tension, struggle, turning point, solution, and result. You don't need complicated slides, expensive equipment, or a Hollywood production. You need a clear idea, a problem worth solving, and a story people can see themselves inside. Because information tells people something, but a storytelling gives them a reason to care. So the next time you create a presentation, don't ask, "What should I say?" Ask, "What journey should I take them on?" Because the best presentation isn't the one people hear, it's the one they remember. If you want more content strategies like this, subscribe.